Hey guys, this is Eddie with FlexArm. I want to talk to you about a recent tap test we did for a customer here. So they brought in their parts to see how the GH-60 tapping arm could handle their workflow. Right now, these parts are tapped on a large drill press, which is a slow process and requires multiple trips through the machine. We wanted to see if the GH-60 could make it faster and simpler for them. For this test, we focused on 3-inch NPT threads in aluminum and cast iron. These are compressor pistons used in large reciprocating compressors for the gas and oil industries. The GH-60 is rated for 2-inch taps in mild steel, so being able to handle these larger taps in softer materials really shows how versatile that arm can be. With a single setup, we were able to get accurate, repeatable results. This test really shows how the GH-60 can take a slow, multi-step process and turn it into a single, streamlined operation. It's a great example of how the FlexArm can improve productivity and precision in heavy-duty industrial applications. So if you're tapping large holes in softer materials or just looking for a more efficient way to do your tapping offline, check us out at flexarminc.com.